Just testing the stuff. Hey, we have people here. Welcome, Kramer Trader. Just testing out the stream. Is my voice loud and clear? Like, can you hear me? Yeah, this is just a test stream. I just wanted to see if the mic and the video works. Cool. Yeah, so I've just put up a 5-minute chart here with some levels and things I use to monitor the intraday stuff. So if we are looking at just my mouse cursor is right here. So the pink line right here is the point of control, the volume point of control. The green lines right here is the opening range, the 5-minute opening range. The bar, that's the high and that's the low. The orange is the VWAP. So these are the things that I'm monitoring like throughout the day. Yeah, Kramer. This is I'm just testing the stream out, like in terms of like how my mic sounds and stuff like that. I'm not too familiar with the streaming software and stuff. Yeah, but I thought I'll just give it a try. Over the weekend I ordered this mic stand and stuff. So Yeah, so and I'm also in the middle of changing my charting platform, so it's a new learning curve for me. I just started it yesterday. We have two people here, Oliver Ward and Kramer Trader. Yeah, if you guys follow me on Twitter, obviously that's where you're coming from. Like I did short 27 on my ES. So this chart, I think I've linked it to MES. So that's why it's not showing the trade here. Uh, yeah, right here. So that's the short position I have right now. It's looking okay, but like, this market has been on an insane bull run, and I'll just change it to MES and see if we can add some more trades here. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people have asked me to do this. Like, I wasn't really sure like if I were to do a stream, like what the content will be or stuff like that, because there's nothing planned or stuff like that. I'm just like a normal dude like you guys, trying to trade, trying to learn how to trade. So yeah, but like many of my friends just asked it, and I said like let's just give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Uh, yeah, right now just the market looks like it's balancing between 24 and 27. You see, like on the upside, I think what the market wants to do is if it can get above this opening range high, which is 32, it's gonna try and go to the previous day's volume point of control, which was like 40, I believe. Yeah, so that would be the upside target. But like for the last whole week, we have been balancing in this area, 45.10 to 45.45, and we haven't really been able to push that 45.50 level yet, despite the non-farm payrolls and whatever the jobs numbers were. So either they are just accumulating more and more inventory to take it out, or maybe just they're tired. Who knows? This is the 5 minute right here, and if we are looking at the 30 minute, how does that look? Right here, that's the 30 minute for you. So as you can see, like 26 level right here, that's right there where the low is. This one right here, where it's kind of turning back. It's kind of the balance area, like low, the value area low of the last week. So this whole range near the low 20s. So it's near that, like trying to push and go through to the other side again now. Yeah, I've been trying to short the market like since forever. But yeah, I thought like at 40, 45, 20, 45, 15 would be a good opportunity. But since like the Powell sweep speech came out, like there's been like little interest in like selling the market after that. So this is a consolidation phase. So the balancing and like the loss of momentum right here is kind of good. So if we are on the short side, I would say the odds look pretty good if we can break through 4506. We can really go back to 4480 really quickly. Yeah, right now it's just boring low volume chop. So right here, if you see on the chart, like the volume profile, so after they have taken, you know, the VWAP and went above the point of control, they have been kind of stabilizing here, and you see this volume ledge kind of forming near 24. They're trying to hold this up. So yeah, but we are just balancing. Like once 24 goes, like we'll certainly go and try to back, test 20 again, and then maybe the lows again. It'll be optimistic, but like I've seen plenty of times, like this kind of pattern where kind of have a double bottom, it you kind of retrace and then it falls back here. But yeah, yeah, man. Like I haven't been really like shorting the market since it's been over 4,000. Like that, that's where I kind of fucked up the most. But yeah, since my fuck ups, it's been all about trying to learn to trade. That's about it. Yeah, I'm trying to play both sides now. Like I've been like a lot of my losses have come trying to playing the long side um too. So it's just not that I always play the short side. I play both. Yeah, that would be the kind of first like like the thing that happens is like the buyers who like bought right near the lows kind of get very happy or double bottom, oh this is going to the moon and stuff, and we see in the afternoon it kind of pull back in, take their stops, and then close near the lows, and overnight London doing its thing, they just bid the market up and open it above some key levels and the next day we have a fucking trend day. So like who knows what's going to happen, but like I'm pretty happy. Like I shorted near 27. I took some profit on one of my lots and just have a small position on, like might take one out at 24 as well, and then just let the one run with like stop at 32 or something. Like normally I wouldn't have a like such a big stop, like 7 6 7 points, but just the time of the month we are in, like September tends to be a little bit bearish, like not always, but like we have been like going up forever, like since I don't know, like that 4350 bottom, like it's been like a rocket ship. So there could be some healthy retracement. 693, yeah, and NQ looks like a good short here. Like there's plenty of volume that's transacted right here near the 700 level, so you have like a double poke at that previous point of control. Like I believe it was a point of control one, so that's where I have the line, or maybe a close. That's just the line marked on my chart. So uh, yeah, it would be definitely a level to short here. Like, but if it comes back again and pokes the third time, I'll be cautious, and I'll be cautious with my ES short too. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like the market's a little tired, and you know they can go down 4490, 4500 to take out the stops and find more buyers if we are going to take out the all-time highs which were sent on the jobs report, which I kind of think will happen, just because um, this man like the market, what it has done in the last 3 or 4 months, there's been like the periodicity of the selling after the opex, right? The same thing I've been noticing with the tops as well. Like it tops about a week from the opex. So 2022 trading days, same cycle, like you from one swing high to the other. So yeah, bears are definitely trying this, like right here to get through 24. So let's see if they can break it. Need to do a bedtime routine. Cool, man. Yeah, they've broken through like 24 now. So let's see if they can build the momentum. So NQ, like 677 to 680 has been a level last time, like last few days. That has worked pretty well on the short side. Let's see if it becomes a support now. I mean, I would bet on it because just how high the markets are right now. Like not as in high, like markets can do fucking anything. It's just we have been on a run without any breaks or breathers or pauses. So it doesn't work like that. It just goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and then yeah, we have been going up for a while now. Like both sides will be pretty happy if they can go somewhere to like 44.65, 44.80 on the ES. You see if like how buyers feels about the market. Like, do they want to buy more or like, yeah, yeah. But they've tried to push through 45, 45.50 a lot of times. Like and especially with the long weekends thing. Like I've seen like markets like trying to just like grind higher and higher and push through all the wall of worry and whatever you call it, like, and just after that thing is over, it's like shit collapses. Like same thing I can remember from like 39.57, like I think in the February, mid Feb. Yeah, it was a long weekend or something then as well. I could just kept grinding higher. Like everybody was like, it's never gonna come down, and we are like 200, 250 point sell, right? Like 20 days after it or something. So how's your trading going today, Kramer? Doing well? Pretty good. Yeah, so thing with these kind of moves is intraday it's hard to find out is it just like a little liquidation break and like back test a level or two, maybe do this area it broke out from, or is it just really gonna come back down and poop the bed? I mean, the amount of volume that's been transacted here, I think it has potential to come down and really like take out the lows, and especially the like Nasdaq being at like key like that 700 level. These are like psychological levels. Key lines in sand, like it feels like it's a little early for an NQ to take that level out with conviction, but like if anything, this market has told us like it just builds energy and then comes back after a couple of weeks and like blows through that thing and goes like a 500 point higher or something. So yeah, on the short side, you have to be really, really strategic in this market. Like long side, you can fucking do anything. Like if you're not over leveraged, you'll be fine. Like keep fucking average down like 100 points or something, and like 2 weeks you're up another 100 points. So yeah, it's been crazy. 63 points in Q so far. Wow, that's pretty good, man. Like you're chilling out and making money. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I've been taking it easy too since the last few days. Just chill out and look at the market structure and see if you want to take the trade or not. I mean, also like looking at like different markets. I've been looking at the NQ. I haven't looked at NQ. I'm looking at crude oil. I haven't been looking at crude oil. So it kind of just keeps my keeps me engaged to look something before, other than just having to place a trade or something. So 23.5. So it's rolling over like, yeah, like people run pretty fast. Like once it drops below 20 again, and like there's no like I'm looking at the dome. There's no real liquidity below us. Like 23. Like there's no one like looking to hold up the market or support. That's like kind of a license to just go fucking attack and butcher it. Let's see if they can do it and how far they can get before like something shows up on the order book. Right now, there's like I don't think there's a significant bid. Yeah, I mean, like the week I think we had like when ES was at like 4460 or something. Man, that was like we didn't. I think that was the shittiest week in terms of range, and I was like, man, I cannot do this. I cannot just watch this market like it just entire day traded between the first 5 minute opening range and the low, and I was like, fuck this. I'm not just looking at ES, and then I started looking at NQ and CL. Like those markets are really fast. Like it takes time to adapt to it. Like I don't take a lot of trades in those markets, but it's better to just have them side by side. And uh, if the opportunity comes up, like you see a market near a month's highs or a week's highs, and you see the order flow kind of getting bearish, you just put on a trade and see how it works. Like last week, I just had gold up on my on my profiles and stuff. I had no idea what the market was doing, and I just like looked at the charts, and that fucking thing was like 1836 or something. And I looked at the charts, and that was like a month's high, last month's high. So these kind of levels, when we have been in a downtrend, they just don't break through that easily. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just take a shot. I took a shot, made my $2, $3, on one lot, 300 bucks, and I just exited. So I was like, cool. I'll keep scanning and monitoring these levels. So that's the thing. Like, I don't have to trade those markets like crude or Nasdaq, but I can just watch them. If I see something line up, like, and yeah, I'll just take the trade rather than just like looking to make one in ES. I'm pretty happy with my call. Like the market didn't go anything above 27, so pretty happy with that one on myself. Yeah, today's been like an okay day for me. Like made 8 points on ES. Like my entries have got really good now. Like in the last few weeks, months, about a month now. Like I've been really refined my entries. But the thing is, like I'm not able to hold those trades. Like it'll be really awesome if I could really hold them like Adam said. He's a friend on Twitter, and you guys probably know him. He's an awesome trader. Yeah, like that guy hodls fucking trades for 100 points. I don't know how he does that, but it'll be cool if I can just, hold my good trades like he does, like maybe 30-40% of him. I'll be pretty happy with that. Yeah. Like I haven't even put the link of the stream on Twitter or something. More people can join. So it's 1:30. Another 90 minutes to go. Yeah, I mean, like this is the time that you start, thinking like, where is the sell gonna stop? Like, is it gonna go? Oh, it's gonna stop at right here, the breakout, where we broke out like from the double bottom, and it pokes through, boom, boom, and then completely craps a bed. Like if like 45.10 to 45.06, like that area falls out, it's gonna be a quick ride to 44.90, I believe. Yeah, and it's gonna cause a lot of panic because a lot of these people right here, they're like not positioned really well, like especially the ones that are on the long side. Yeah, it's not a bad time to be short. But yeah, I have to fucking get out at some place rather than, because if just like I start thinking it's going to 4200, this bitch is going to go to probably 4700 before it has a next pullback or something, and I'm gonna be crying. So yeah, just take your money and fucking run. Once you have like a decent, it hits a couple of your levels. So today I'll be pretty happy if we get anywhere, if we break or wick through 4500. Yeah, I'll be pretty happy with that. Yeah, you have a pretty good short right here, like 93, I believe you said you did. Yeah, so it's 76 right here, and there's no sign right here. I can't see anything on the order book to, out there to support the market right here. They're like, fuck it, we'll just buy near the lows again and fuck a bunch of retail. Let's see how it goes. Jungle we make at 517. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that might be a good spot to cover. Yeah, take profit. And what would be the coinciding level on the NQ? I think NQ, I can see the VWAP is at 660. So possibly that may be possible. 670 is the 5 minute opening range high. So 60 to 70 is not a bad spot to, take some off. But yeah, like if it falls through, yeah, probably it's going to test the opening range low, like 620 or 630 something. And the thing is, like the position is really good. We're coming from near like 15,700, so this might be a next 200 point play or something. But like you can't think like that, right? So unless you have that kind of time frame, like intraday, like I'm pretty pumped up if I can make like 5-6 points a day. But it doesn't happen like that. So on a weekly basis, I would say 30 points, 25 points. Yeah, that's a decent week. 2025. 656. Yeah, it's right near the VWAP, so you might just get it. This is the best content on YouTube right now. Wow. I'm just testing out the stream. Like, how many people we have? How do we see that? I have no idea. Like, I'm not bad with this computer stuff and something, but like this shit I have on my monitors, it's hard to see. Conquered viewers 3. Yeah, 3 people. Nice. Yeah, I just like went live. Let's see if somebody gets the notification and they come here automatically. I didn't post the link or something. I'm pretty sure we can get to like 10 people if I post a link. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, let's get more people in here. I'll just post the link. Yeah, my mic setting, I mean my voice I assume will be fine, but like pardon my chair squeaking and my mouse clicks. I don't know how to get rid of that. Yeah, I've just posted a link. Let's see somebody if we get more people to join us here. Yeah, a little bit of bounce. So yeah, that 24 to 25 area, like the bottom of the that volume ledge. That's what I'll be watching if we like get back above on the other side. Yeah, that I'll probably take my short position off. But for right now, like there's no reason to take it off. So still chopping around. Jungle Bull. Hey, how are you, Columbus? Yeah, I mean we have like 4 people now, 3 4 people. Yeah, NQ is back right there. So it was the low on the NQ on that pullback. It pulled back right to that 676, 677 area that we were talking about, like the 677 to 87, where was big resistance. Like it did provide a first bounce. So does it have enough, energy to come back and take the 15700? You never know, but I would think like we may get a little bit more sell towards the closing bell. Yeah, but I wouldn't hold if like 700 level really breaks with some volume and force. Probably time to run because a lot of people have been short there. From 680 to 700, yeah. Yeah, that's a little pop right there. I'm probably going to bore you guys to death because I don't have any planned content or my stream. I haven't really set it up properly, to show you some charts or some things that I use because I've just recently moved to Sierra charts, so it's taking me a little time to set it up and get it going. Hey Shaw, we have Preston Shaw. He's my good friend right here. How are you, Shaw? I love you too, man. Like Shaw is one of the first guys who I started talking to on Twitter. Like when I really started, wanting to trade. He was trying to do that as well, but like he's amazing. Like he motivated me so much, like to have a pop at it. Like I personally like I never believed like I would be trading or even attempting trying to trade as a career, but it's all been a lot of help and support from A lot of friends I know on Twitter. Didn't know you were here. Ah, we have smashed the subscribe button. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'm just was testing the stream. Ronak Patel. Are you Ronak? I follow all your comments on Twitter, eh? Yeah, I may not reply to every one of you, but I read all the comments and probably know like most people who interact with me. I appreciate all of you really, really. Yeah. So, Mr. Shaw, what's the market looking like? Are you short with your like 50 contracts? Let's see what Mr. Shaw is up to. Mr. Shaw, like he trades like 50 lots, 100 lots, 150 lots. Like he's a big trader. Not that many, so I'm short NQ right now. Yeah, that 15 700 level, that double top kind of on the intraday. That was really good. Like I did short it, but like I was already short like 2 3 ES. I was like, fuck this. If this rips through, I'm gonna die. So I took like 5 points on the NQ and just have my ES short right now. How often will you stream? Like I don't know. Like I didn't have a plan to stream at all. It's like a lot of like friends on Twitter like they asked me to do it or try it out. So I would decide I would give it a shot. Like there's nothing planned right now. I just it's all how we call it, spontaneous. Like so it's just like if we get like some people here like who are not really bored to death with me speaking and looking at the markets, I'll probably like try to do it more often. But yeah, if it's like a complete shit show, yeah, I'll probably like not stream that often. Maybe put a video or two if I have something to share about the markets. But yeah, Jingle Indian, yeah, probably like you can guess from my accent. Who am I? Yeah, so where are you based out of, Jingle? I am based out of Bells. Jingle is based out of Bells, so that's why it's Jingle Bells. Right here we have 16 people and coming in more. Wow, welcome everybody. Like finally, the Jingle Bell Show episode 1. It's not even planned. Like it's supposed to be a test stream. Just joking. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, 23.4. Yeah, I'm short ES from 27. I was short like 3 lots. I've taken 2 off at 24 and 23. Just like one runner left. Like, what do you guys feel like? What would we get towards the end of the day? Do we go back to the lows, break them, or we push higher? When Tick join, fuck him. Fuck TikTok. Sell overnight. Yeah, Greg says sell overnight. It's possible. Like, but like I would never trade overnight again. Like unless like I have to be in the market for some reason or it's a complete fucking meltdown. Like thing with trading overnight, it just sucks up too much energy. Like you'll be fucking in consolidation range for like 8 hours, and by the time the RTH open, you'll probably have a position on the wrong side of the market, and and then the RTH New York gang comes and they just fucks you. They fuck you. They like it's like somehow if I trade overnight, I will always fucking wake up on the wrong side of the open. Like it always happens. I don't know how, and and then you're kind of like scared. Like where do I fucking get out of this position? Because if you're short, you feel like yeah, it's probably too high. If I sell, it's gonna turn. But that fucking thing doesn't happen, and you get fucking toast. So I've been always like that since then. I've been like yeah, I'm not gonna trade overnight. I'm just gonna wait for the open, wait for 5 10 minutes uh, for the opening range to set up and see if the market is you know trading above the opening range, below the opening range. How does it compare to previous days value area and consolidations, and then see if I want to trade or not. Any relation to Drake Bell? No, I don't have any relation to Drake Bell. Jingle, do you trade SPX options? So I did open up an options account. Like I thought like I would try it out, but then I just like I was watching it, but like I get so overwhelmed. Like if I'm just looking at the futures, I'm looking at the dome or the footprint or just the profile, or I'm just looking at one thing at a time. With the options, like there's so many fucking expirations and stuff like that, and there's different strategies as well. I'm very interested in it and to learn it, but I haven't like made any options trade since I fucked up. Basically like last year during the COVID thing, like that was it. Adam said, "Hey Adam, how are you, buddy?" On the stream. Yeah, wow, like I'm really enjoying here, like on the stream. Like I have all my friends back, like Shaw, Adam said, and like most of the Twitter followers I interact with, everybody's here. So looks like it may not be that boring. Yeah, and like the main reason of my stream is not like I'm gonna fucking provide you some levels or shit like that, or tell you like how I trade or whatever. It's more about myself. You guys fucking have to save me, okay? Like if I get fucking stuck in like a horrible trade, you guys fucking everybody on the chat will be like, fucker, get the fuck out of that position, because I freeze a lot of the times. And yeah, I have like bad habits of taking out the stops and stuff. Like yeah, I'm a really bad loser. Like think about this way, like the number of accounts I've lost just because I didn't want to lose is stupid. It's fucking stupid. Save Jingle. Yeah, Leo. Leo is here as well. Yeah, exactly. Like if I'm short, like you guys can probably see my position, so I'm gonna just like change it. See what we are up to here. I'm gonna take it out and see how's my position doing. Yeah, so I've just like one short right here. On ES 27 point. So that looks like a good trade. Makes me look good. Like my entries have been pretty good like the last few weeks, but like my overall rating is nowhere as good as it might seem on Twitter or something like that. Yeah, yeah, love everybody. Twitter has been pretty fun for me. Like it's a bullshit account I made like with no purpose or stuff like that, and I've got chance to interact with so many of the fellow traders. It's been really fun. Fun Jingle. I'm doing pretty fine right now. Like I don't really need funding. Like I have a couple of combines and stuff, so I'm doing okay. I would probably hope I don't need funding soon, because like the amount of shit show I do while I trade is fucking too much. Anuja Hemant. Hey Anuja, how are you? Welcome everybody. So we have like 79 viewers. Wow. Like I didn't expect like so many people would come and wouldn't it be amazing if we were to break 4500 today, like the first day of the test stream? Like I should maybe just probably take my short off before it fucking comes back and rips my face off. Yeah, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, I haven't like set up like can you see my video like at all? Like I think it's kind of blacked out here. Is the chart there or is it gone? Oh yeah, it's there. So I think I paused it. Perfect. When face cam, man, there's nothing really special about my face you would want to see. Yeah, but I can talk plenty of bullshit, so you can hear my voice. Stream looks great. Thank you, Adam. Yeah. Yeah, I had to, man. Like, Fader's on my ass. He's like, fuck you, asshole. Like, you have to try this shit out. And I was like, okay, I told you, I'll do one this week. I said, and see how it goes. Face reveal at 1,000 viewers. Yeah, we'll see. Like, I don't have anything like I'm some fucking CIA agent or something. I'm fucking Jingle Bells, not fucking TikTok. So I don't have a problem, sitting in front of me. But like, there's um daily Jingle streams. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, I haven't thought like how frequently I'll be doing this, but like seems like there's a lot of people here like talking to each other, and we as traders, like we have fucking nothing to look at like throughout the day, fucking seeing bullshit and stuff like that. Who are like, have they really found out fucking news reason why Bitcoin sold off? Like, so funny. Like, there's a news for fucking everything, and I literally I was looking on YouTube. There was a guy, a streamer, like I don't know, he was searching for the reason why Bitcoin sold off. It's like, fucking idiot. That thing bounced from 30K to 52K. It ripped Short's heart out. And it fucking like went down 10K, and you're like, oh, why it sold off? Why it sold off? Oh, Tick was bullish on Bitcoin. That's why it sold off. Yeah, obviously. So one of my followers, he sent me a tweet. Like, TikTok said, like, sell will come like 16th September. I was like, he's fucking with me. So like, okay, like 17th September is the day we'll probably see any kind of sell off. So Tick went missing today. Yeah. Indian inflection, are you TikTok? Yeah, like that's a pretty good conspiracy, yeah. Like, am I TikTok? Wow. And I used to talk to TikTok. He was like, are you fucking Shiloh? I was like, fuck you all. I'm not gonna tell you who am I. Adam said, Adam, are you back trading? Jingle, I believe you are tech. No, I don't believe I am tech. I may be tech, but I don't believe. Power hour stream every day. Yeah, I haven't decided any time. I just like today felt like I would just test it and see how it goes, and then we'll probably, like, depending upon how you guys want it, we'll probably set up a time or something if we want to do this thing every day or every week, or because I don't want to bore you guys to death, because I really don't have anything to say, much to say, rather than to just like come here and chat with you. Like, this is easier for me to do than tweeting because when I'm tweeting, I'm just fucking not looking at my screen at all, and lose concentration like a lot of time. So this time I can just like really focus on stuff while blabber nonsense. So yeah, I'm back at my desk this week. Perfect. Adam, are you long? Adam is long. I should probably take my profits and run. Like, I don't even know how this bullshit, how I set stops in Sierra and something. Where do I want to get stopped out? Okay, this week. Buy stop. I'm short, so it would be a buy stop. Probably. Yeah, I think so. Jingle, Strazy. How are you, Jay? How are you doing? Look at that right click execution. Oh god. Yeah, yeah, Jay. I just moved to Sierra yesterday. Like, I've been like doing this tinkering like all since like yesterday morning. Like, I should have done this before when you guys fucking told me to do it the first time. Like, but I was in like that fucking motive waves asshole really up, and I didn't do it. So yeah, but right now, like, whatever I've seen, like it's a nice platform, and I've been able to stream just because of that. Like it's not consuming that much of memory and stuff like that. Like motorway would used to like fucking crash my like system with two instruments up. Like right now I have like three instruments up: Nasdaq, S&P, and the crude oil. And yeah, I can probably stream. Yeah, motorway, like I started trading on the Mac, so that was the only option I had. If I had like Windows, I would be on Sierra the first day. But like I'm not really watching the charts that closely. Like, can you fucking tell me, like, should I stay short or what? Like, Leo, Adam, Strizzy, like, what's the consensus here? What's my target? Like, I don't know, zero? Zero would be pretty nice. Leo the Tiger, I'm long. Oh, fuck. I need to watch it. It's coming back up, like, to fucking 24 and up. I should probably bail. We long, Kika long. Oh, fuck. First day of the stream and I'm fucking fading. And Adam said Leo. It couldn't get funnier than this. Wow. What's NQ doing? 685. Yeah. I'm short from 4400. Yeah, that's my boy right there. He's short from 4400. That's some good shit, man. Man, my average short, like, if I had all my position open, would be like 3700. Moon mission imminent. I think so. Like, I'm gonna be really like, I'm gonna panic. Like, if it gets above 26, like, my short will be like, I might just take the point I have. I might just book that point and then fuck off. Yeah, with the stream, the thing is, I cannot do my bullshit I do because I have a lot of people here watching. Otherwise, I would be fucking stopped out at 28. I'll probably try another short at 32, get fucked. Short at 36, get fucked. At 40, short again. 45 margin call. Yeah, but like with you guys here, I'll probably just, accept defeat and. Oh, there's something fucking on the order book here. 677. Here, 22s. Fuck. Need tick here, and we here have all the alphas. No, bro, we don't need TikTok here. If TikTok come to my stream, I'm gonna shut this fucking thing down. Can I block fucking TikTok? His IP or some shit like that? Take profit, Black Swan. Yeah, that's what I should do right here, right? 26.5, 27. Fuck. It's okay. I'm up like 5, 6 points for the day, so it's fine. 45 margin call. Yeah, I mean, like, it gets pretty bad. Like, when you try to fight the market, and it's like, market is like, dude, do you even know who the fuck you are? Let me try and get you liquidated. Do we really have 273 people on here? Oh, fuck. Fucking. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Welcome, everyone. Hello. The chart is flying. Jingle Bell new and improved Brian Watt. Yeah, man, that guy is a fucking legend. I don't know, like, how you fucking hold 600 points of May in the pandemic. I just don't know how you do that. Yeah, but like, yeah, he trades differently. It's actually jungle. Yeah, it's actually jungle. Love you, Jongs. Yeah, love everybody. Looking back at the charts. What do we have here? 25. Yeah, yeah. Those those traders like Adam said, Jay, and everybody's geek along. I don't know why I am not. Should I just join the long side here? Like, do I have anything to lean on? You're the best. Yeah, man, I am the best. Fuck, I didn't even know that. 475. You know what? Fuck you all. I'm gonna be short. I have a stop. Like, if I didn't have the stream, I wouldn't have put it. It makes me look nice to put a stop in. Without the stream, I'm probably trading this till 44.70 or 80. 45.70. Reverse Giga. Next leg of sell will be stronger than the last one. Yeah, man, that's what I thought. Like, since every fucking up move, that would be the up. The next sell will be it. Are we short till 44.70? Yeah, I mean, looking at the levels right here, like 45.18 is clearly important, like Adam said, discussed yesterday as well. So this 45.10 is kind of the line in sand. Like, if we go back there and it goes through 45.06 to that 10 zone, we probably go to 44.90 pretty fast. That's what I think is gonna happen, but market really do what I think it will do. 25, 25.5. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the flow or anything right here. Yeah, but it doesn't look too good. Where's the fucking flat button? Flat and then cancel. You know what? 4.5. Let's not panic. Let's just get fucked. Invite Julia. Yeah, she'll probably find me. Find my link someday and she'll be here. Probably. 45.34 is key. Yeah, man. It is. It has been key for a while now. Last hour, 2 o'clock, and like, I don't know why I'm short. I'm actually pretty bullish. If this fucking level holds, like the lows today, I think we probably go back up and take out the highs. 40, 45, 50, and probably like make another 20-30 points before we start selling off. Amazon 3600. Speed fast hand. Hey, I know you, buddy. How are you? Was the thing. Forgot the pattern we used to talk about. Like, I think Shaw would know which pattern it was, like fast hand Luke thing. Something like short squeeze or something. Like, yeah. Jingle go long. Like, I'm not going to go long, but like if you guys want, I might take my short off. So how the fucking do it? Buy limit. Is this bullshit never coming back now? At least like go back to 22 or something. I'll put one here right now. Just like, have something here. 64. And 23.25 might fill. Like, if this scraps the bed, I'm gonna fuck you up. Like, who's the guy? Like everybody on the stream, like right here. Like, I'm gonna literally find out everybody who told me to go long, and I'm gonna block every one of you. 20% that's fills before 3:40. Fuck, man. I think Streezy is geek along. Jingle, please remind me why you are short. I have no idea, bro. Like, I took the short. Like, it was right at this week's developing point of control and kind of towards the low of the balance area, and I saw like volume kind of building in that zone near 27. I just went short right there, and it was right with the 15700 NQ level. Same thing there. It was kind of double topish, but like I don't know. Like I'm not like completely satisfied with the NQ bounce right here. Like if it's gonna take out 700 right this time, but it's probably gonna take it out because I'm thinking like that. So yeah, and NQ to the fucking moon. Uh, there's so much going on the chat right now. Like I'm not able to keep up with each and every one of you, so apologize for that. Sanu ki jingi. How are you, Sanu? Okay, well, instead of watching this 30-minute chart, give me some daily analysis. Bro, like, I have no clue where we are going in the next 2-3 weeks. That's probably your forte, man. You should like do some analysis for my viewers right here. Like they have they get a chance to hear Jay's live thoughts like in the chat format, and that might really help them. Like my star of my stream would be probably Adam and Jay helping me and my viewers keep on the right side. What the fuck? 26? I'm dying here, man. Exit. Holy fuck. I'm not happy. I'm getting fucked. Get me out. 25, 5, 25. Okay, fine. Fuck off. I don't want you. Yay. Okay, so, I mean, I can't stop. I don't know. Okay, so we have exited 25, 25. I'm gonna kill every one of you who got me out of that position. I told you to exit 1.75 points ago. Yeah, man, but don't you know I'm fucking dumb? Like, it, it's fucking victory I got out of that position. Like, if we were to moon, because I'll probably hold that trade for like 10 points or something. 24.5. Fuck you all. We're probably gonna break 4,500 now. There's nothing stopping this market now. I've taken off my short. Show us daily stats, Jungle. Fuck you. I'm not gonna show you shit. Here's the fucking bear, I don't know, 30-minute chart for you. Just stare at it. That's all you get. Fuck you. Short going to print now. Yeah, probably, man. Like, this is the feeling we all have. Like, if I've taken the position off, like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss out. I'm gonna, stuff like that. It happens all the time. And generally, it doesn't happen. This is probably going higher now. Yeah. Like, if Adam is long, Jay is long, Leo is long, they probably know what they're doing. I'm gonna believe them. Like, but if it's gonna come back below like 20 or 22, like there's like some bid right there on the order book, like that 528 lots. Like if we go through that, yeah, there's a chance like we may test the lows of the day or even try to break them a little, get the stops below. But right now, like it's perfectly balanced. There's no like reason to be, like I don't know why you would be long here. Like what's the target here, Jay? What are you looking for? Probably 4,900 or something. Wow, yeah. Yeah, Jay fucker, like the bastard, he was long from like 30. He made the call, like I remember 3,600. It's going to 4,400. I was like, he's fucking drunk. No, having too much, what do we call it, weed or shit. But here we are. Like, we're not even 4,400. We're like fucking 4,550. Wow. Like, nobody expected this market to do that. That's why it fucking did it. And when it starts scrapping the bed, nobody's gonna expect it to go down, and it's gonna fucking keep pooping like till zero or something, maybe minus 38, like crude oil. That'll be really fun. SPX at minus 38. Not gonna happen ever. Jay is a genius. He's the only man on into it to say 4400. Actually, Jimmy Jude was pretty bullish since the pandemic lows. Like, I've been following that dude, and he's amazing. Like, I love him. Uh, he made the call like 27, 2800 or something when we were like crapping the bed in like March of 2020. That the market's gonna go to 4300 when all the central banks gonna throw the kitchen sink at it, at the economy, and that's exactly what's happened. So yeah, Pax Trader 45, 42. Yeah, man, like they all had. I don't know how they do this. I've seen a lot of pit traders, had some analysis like whenever when we crossed that 3900 mark, 3950 or something, everybody was like kind of started talking about 4500. So I was like, wow. Yeah, Jimmy's amazing. He said 4500 will see pullback. Yeah, he said that, but he also said that like with the fucking Jerome Powell, like he's saying like fuck you all, fuck you to beers, and everybody has been like fuck it, it's not gonna probably sell off really that fast. Jing in his 30-year Jingle Fed chair. Yeah, man. If I'm the Fed chairman, it's interest rates are 5% overnight. Fuck you. Fuck your Nasdaq calls. Like Apple's going to $5. Jingle, are you from Hyderabad? No, man, I'm not from Hyderabad. TikTok is also not from Hyderabad. Expect the unexpected. Yeah, for sure. Sir, I like your platform. What do you use? Man, this is just like a test thing. I've just made it like 5 minutes before I started streaming. But like these are the kind of things I use for trading intraday. It would be like a 30-minute chart or a market profile. They're both the same shit, like just different way of looking at the information. And volume profile for the day. And I didn't have the week's volume profile um, put up right here, but I probably have that as well. And then other than that, it's basically value area low, value area high, point of control, the VWAP. Like these are the things I'm watching, and during the open, I'll have the 5 minute opening range. So whatever, like today, like the 5 minute opening range was 45.32, and we just completely like sold off the opening bell, and the opening edge low was like 45.16. So these are kind of like pivot points I try to use throughout my trading session to try to keep me on the right side of the market, which I rarely stay. But yeah, these are the kind of things I have on my chart usually. And I have delta as well. Like I don't watch it that closely now because I thought it would help me do something, but like it doesn't. So I don't pay that much attention to delta anymore. It's mainly volume profile and you know volume by price and just the volume bars right here below. These are what I usually focus on now. Jingle from Calgary. No, man, I'm not from Calgary. No. 45 minutes to go in the session, and I have panic sold my short position because people have advised me to do so. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, I mean, I also personally don't like this market again, like, trying to get back above 25. Like, if it gets back above 25, 26, it's gonna try and run stops above because that is what is closer, rather than turning all the way back and going to the lows. So we might just break through these 27, 28s on the S&Ps and 700 on the Nasdaq, and then worry about the short, worry about the, you know, coming down maybe tomorrow or some other day. How many trades did I take today? I took like 2 or 3 trades. Like I was long 18, I scalped it because in the morning, like when level comes that fast to the open, I'm not really comfortable buying that level like for the whole day, because usually that's not how it works. It's gonna come down and stay there for a while, gut test a lot of people, and then make its move. So I just scalped 18 first, then I bought like 12, 13, scalped again, and then yeah, just scalped, made 4 or 5 points, and then I just then I wanted to play on the short side, but since like the market went up 20, I was like, no, it's not gonna sell off right here. It's gonna probably run another 5, 7 points. So it went to 27. It was kind of where the sell started on the opening range, like kind of half. Yeah, I mean, volume really came in, and I just look at volume, and if I see like a lot of people, transacting over a you know short range, volume really picks up there, and somebody's there to stop the market, I would take a short or a long. The same scenario. So this is usually what I do. Is just pay attention to the volume. That's all I do. Jingle already short. Yeah, man. It's probably like I was thinking like we'll probably like go below 20 again once before market closes. But then again, like I'm while streaming, I haven't really focused on the order flow or looked at the charts that closely. It's been like looking at the chat and looking at you guys. NYC is good Jew. No man, I'm not good Jew. What does Sanu have right here? Minus 10, 45, 31. Oh, is that a trade that you took, Sanu? Tick is counting Elliott wave right now. No man, that's Elliott wave, like horse lover. Like he does all his analysis on Elliott wave, I believe. Like he's a big Elliott wave fan. Yeah, and he loves to long Russell as well. Like that's what the two things he does. I believe next wave he has on through his Elliott wave on the Russell is like 2586 or something. Yeah, we probably balance up. Gonna experience Cologne collapse. I don't know, man. Like it is going down. So yeah, I wasn't satisfied with the NQ like coming back up. Like there wasn't really like big volume. Uh, for me to say like it has enough accumulation absorption has been done. Come back and take 700 out. So that's why I wanted to stay short. But that's okay. Like it's I missed another probably. I'm telling you, it's going 30 points down, and I'm not gonna re-enter, and I'm gonna cry like a bitch. Web bounce. Jingle, what's the time on your work clock? Yeah, so I have like I'm in central time zone, so it's 2:17 right now as I'm speaking. How's the daily chart looking? I haven't even like put up a daily chart since I've set up here. It does one. UCR chart. Let me do my thing. Ah, it's not moving. It's crazy. How do I move this thing, man? It wouldn't like switch to the right. Fuck this. Yeah, we like on the daily we have seen like all these wicks right here. So I mean the upside momentum is kind of like gone, like, consolidating, and now it's really like, are we gonna like you know balance in this area and take out the upper end of the balance or the lower? Like I believe like we are gonna go down because that's what I always believe. But that's why exactly the opposite thing is probably on the cards. Control and mouse arrow. Probably stuck, so figure out later. Now this pitch is working. Okay, I think like what Jay was saying, like I have to probably load a historical chart. Now I'm gonna take out 4500 for the weekly one time frame to end. Yeah, I mean the thing is like we haven't even tested 4506. It's one of the untested point of controls we have just below us. So just balancing right here, like looking for know break either of the, like if the lows today like they're holding like and we don't take it out, we, we're probably gonna go up and take the highs out because yeah, just when everybody just starts to get bearish, that's what the exactly opposite what the market does. 23.5. Hey Jay, you told me, man, get out. Like it's fucking down 2 points now. I'm dying. Can I buy actually? This is how I would fuck up like trades. Like I don't have a position right now, so it's positional anxiety. Like I would think like, oh, I have to be in the market even though I have made my money, like whatever. Like I don't really have a target or something like every day I'm gonna do that because I know that's not how this game works. It's more about the opportunity, but like right now, like I don't think like there's a way I can say like there is opportunity. Like it does look bullish just because it has held 45 tens, didn't even challenge 45 or 6, and it's trying to crawl back up. And we're just like on border right here, value area low of last week. So if it has to go down, it has to go down from here. Like if it goes any higher, like more than 32 or 30, like yeah, it's probably going to test the other end of the value area high, the value area which is probably 45 40 or something, and even try to poke through the highs. Yeah, man, like sitting is usually the best thing. Like if you just like sit and watch, you'll be surprised like how many like trades set up. Like the other day on Globex, I wasn't even looking to trade. I was like just like doing my shit. I had things open up, and the market's fucking selling off like from 32. I didn't take the short, so it's at 24 25 level, and I was like, fuck, I cannot short this here. So I just like took a long at 24. Same theory, like on Friday, like a lot of bunch of shorts got trapped under that level. So I thought like, yeah, there'll be probably like a good scalp in there. I took my 2 3 points, and that motherfucker went up 20 points. It happens all the time. Like sometimes I have to talk to myself like my entries and positions are not shit anymore, so I should probably just believe in myself. But I immediately like bought 24 on the Globex, and I put a break even stop. I was like, fuck, I didn't even want to trade. I believe this is a good level to be long from. And next 5 minutes, I take the 2 or 3 points. I don't even remember. Like I take 2 points and I just like close the trade and wake up to like 45, 44. And I was like, fuck. And the next time I fucking do that shit, I'm probably gonna get my stop taken out. So how's the order book looking? Still like there is some support in the 20 area, 20, 20.5. Like there are some bids there. Probably like shorts have a target. They might just like go see what they're made of and you know try to wick through and then come back up. It will be an interesting close today though. Yeah, but just looking at the profile, the 30-minute chart, there is not like a conclusive case for either longs or shorts. If you're short from like 30s, probably just keep it. If you're long from 10, 10, 15s, 17, 18s, you probably keep that. Because right now we have no clue which way this is going to go. Yeah, but I've taken my short off, so this is probably gonna have a fucking meltdown to 44.90 by close or something. And I'm gonna really cry. For real. Is this real jingle? Yeah, man, I am the jingle bell. Get Twitch stream and gather donations. Wow. Here are order flow weapons. Like I don't really use order flow that much now. Like the only thing I would look at is on occasion, like I'll look at a footprint and the depth of the market, like where are the big players, where are the big bids, where are the walls. That's how I'll just look at it. Like I've started trading, like I thought like fucking like everybody thinks like that's some magic thing to do. Like you're really fucking wasting time, like staring like at just fucking fake limit orders go up and down. That's probably that's bullshit. But yeah, uh, footprint's probably a good tool. Yeah, if you know what you need to look for, some kind of a confirmation or something. So yeah, it's selling off, man. Fuck. Same Jingle, I took my shot of the market can tank now. Fuck. Yeah, it's dicey now. Like I don't know. Like you don't want to probably short here because you know like it can like go back up again. But yeah, like it's gonna go to that 20 area or something. But if like that 20 gets taken out, they're gonna probably go and test the lows and maybe just wick through the lows, try to get near like O 06 to O 10, and then probably like buyers come back in and start buying. Reject 26, target 16. Yeah, probably. I think so. Like we're gonna go down a little bit here. Buying cheap spy puts. Yeah, man, puts is fucking just donations to the market if you're buying naked puts or something. I'm not gonna stop you from doing it, but it's really tough, like to time theta and the direction of the market. Like I like options for the other shit, like the straddles and the vertical spreads or something like that. It's trying to come down, like just to fill those, see what those bids are made of near 20. Yeah, but 20 would be the line in sand. Like if it goes through 20, I think we go test the lows. Need tape. Yeah, man, tape. I've fucking tried to stare at times in sales like a long time. Like I haven't been able to make sense of it at all ever. Like my advice would be if somebody's like trying to learn to trade or stuff like that, don't fucking look at that shit. That's really not going to really help you. I mean, you can only like look at one or two things intraday while you're looking at charts. You cannot look at three and four things and make a decision. So the less things you're looking at, the better it's going to be. Either it can be the depth of market or the footprint, but like you're obviously aware of the structure. So the way I use it, I'll probably just have a profile for my levels and structure, and then I'll have a range chart, you know, and a footprint. Yeah, exact opposite of Jay's advice, though. Yeah, he's probably spoofing us. He's probably on the ask side, absorbing all us fuckers. Like he's taking advantage of my followers on the first day. He's probably sitting on the other side of the ask. I probably sold to him. Hey Jay, why you fuck us? He's probably scalping his 2 points on 5,000 lots. Okay, another bid appears on 19, 18.575. Yeah. Yeah, man. They're gonna test lower for sure. It may bounce here. Like NQ has some volume. It's just built up. Same with the ES. So we might just try and take a limit buy. Where should I buy this thing if I want to buy it? Right here. Just buy and see how it happens. You know what? I'm not gonna fucking trade ES. I made my money. Let's just switch to, what do we go? Micros. I don't want to get fucked, man. Especially after I made money. Right here. So buy limit 22. So we have one executed straight away red. Next one will probably buy. Okay, 21. So we have like two micros just to have a position for the sake of the stream and the positional anxiety. Yeah, it's now the crash can come. Like 20 points. I'm probably gonna lose my like 6 points I made with the micros. And so right here at the lows here. Let's see if we just go through it. I don't think so. We just go through that easily. Probably I'm long. It probably does. Just want to make sure I'm long micros and not the gigas. Yeah, it's the micros. I won't get fucked probably. But I probably won't make any money either. So let's see how it closes. Apple is slipping. Yeah, but like NQ still has a lot of support here. Like I don't expect it to just fall through like now. Like NQ, I have 670 as the opening range high, the 5 minute opening range high, and that area has been like resistance from the past, so probably gives us a little bounce. Doesn't have to, but it can still go to 660 and still be fine. Like that's the VWAP area, but we have too long from 21 50. Yeah, so there is some absorption here. Like, I think so, but like I can be wrong. So just need to bail if I'm wrong. Who else is long here? Like, I know Adam J and Leo all are long. Why you go against RSI 95? Yeah, man. Like that's the only thing I have on the chart. The RSI. Yeah, yeah. I haven't used that thing at all ever. Like, I couldn't make sense of it. Doesn't mean like it doesn't work, but we are up. We can buy more. See if we get a fill. Yeah, we got a fill. So we're long like 3 micros here from average 22. Yeah, like on the order book, I just saw like the bids really coming up. Like it's near 18, 17, and 19, 20. Like bids really started showing up, and and right at 21, 25, like there was a like big volume, bid. Like there was some absorption there. That's what my idea is. So it's a good spot for a bounce. Like if it has to bounce, but fuck, it does its thing. Yeah, I just took a long because like my anchor, like I shorted from 27. So if I was wrong on my short, I'm have to use a lot of risk, like 4, 5, 6 points. But on the long side, like I'll probably like risk 3 points, 4 points. Yeah, I mean, seriously, I don't have a clue how it's gonna go, how it's gonna finish. But just like on the profile, the way it was, like we went down balanced like a lot first couple of hours in the low 20s and we are up again. So market doesn't usually let those shorts out so easily. So it's not a position I'm expecting it to take out the highs or something like that. It's just like I think there's a good chance we might just rotate back to the point of control 25, 27 again near that, and then make a decision which way we want to go. Yeah, these motherfuckers are selling now. Market will sell this week or next. Too much hanging over. So yeah, I mean, like people, it's been stalling here, right? So people are really happy to sell here. It seems, and the, another thing to take care of it is like they say like we have to focus on what didn't happen is almost as important as what did happen. So the market usually had like with the news and stuff, like whatever the jobs report was, like it was bad. So it gives the market license to rally and shit like that with the narrative we have been following, but it didn't do that. It did not take out 45, 50 on Friday. Usually we would take that kind of level out and go 20, 30 points higher and then balance again there and then start to sell off, but that didn't happen. So that's why I had like a kind of a bearish bias. especially when we opened below 35, 36. That was kind of an area like everybody was watching, E level. So, but we did test the bottom of the balance near 45.10, 45.12, and didn't happen anything today. But the thing is, like this, the way sell comes, it doesn't like just doesn't like goes through levels like multiple levels at once. It's just slowly going down there, knocking on the door, slowly going down there, knocking on the door, and then eventually like floodgates open. So that could happen here. Like I wouldn't be short here personally. I'm gonna go ahead and buy one more. Average down Brian Watt style. But that's not actually Brian Watt style. He does it differently. He like fucking has like 10 points off averaging down because he works like 100 point zones. I don't know how he does that, but that's how he does it. Do we get the fill? Come on. Yeah. We have four now. Now I can fuck it up. Yeah. At least I'll feel some pain, like if it goes through the lows or something. Okay, give me a stop. Jay, need a stop. Probably this level right here. What's that? 1675. Is that the opening range low? Yeah. So 16. Give another three ticks over that. Oh, L stop limit. Just like two, three ticks below the opening range low. Like if they come take it out, it's probably going lower. Or I may end up. Is this a right order? Like I just use the dome usually to execute my orders. So I don't want to have fucking four more of these micros and make it eight where I want to be stopped out. So market eating through bid. Yeah, but right here, like 45.20, like 2,500 lots have been bought. Like there's an iceberg. So somebody's buying here. Like he's like, fuck you. If you really want to sell this thing, you're gonna have to go through me. So this 45.20 is gonna become important. And if we go down and this starts becoming resistance, then probably like it's like a license to go short. But right here, you don't want to be like on this kind of day with this kind of volatility, you don't want to be like a superstar or something and be like, oh man, I'm going to break this one. No, you go long here with small risk. We sold off at close every day. I mean, the previous days don't have to do anything with the tape right now. Like every day is new. Like they have like wicked through 20 right here. Let's see if they can get any kind of momentum here. Or usually when these kind of levels like big orders come in, we see a wick through and then it's back up 20 and then it's goodbye. Like it's like every short starts covering and it's like we just get a rally end of the day. So it's getting a little interesting here. Let's see if they can how they feel at 45.20. Yeah, but I left like 5 points. I covered like 25 something. So should have stuck to my original plan. But like with the stream, I wasn't like really focused, so I couldn't manage it. So that's fine too. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. But everybody wants to get the fruit, after the thing has happened. So that's okay. That's trading. CL going up and ES down. Yeah, man. Like I would actually. I just looked at CL right now. I would actually short ES right now, just like the quick glance. Like there's a lot of volume and resistance right here. People are getting absorbed here. So short on 68.40. And that's kind of Julia Cordova's short level as well. So Yeah, I wouldn't I wouldn't buy crude here. I'll probably sell it. Yeah, but like ES has some absorption here. So let's see if what sellers really want to do here. Do they really want to take out the lows here? But like, yeah, 20 is holding. So the longer it stays here, like the shorts, start thinking like, do they really want to do this, or like, then short covering starts. But right now we cannot say, like, we don't know who's long, who's short, what they want. Like, so we have to just like observe this level and see which way, it kind of gets momentum on which side. So what we do know is like they came down to 20 and there has been a lot of absorption here. Like there's been like 3,900 on the bid, and then like good 11, 12,000 contracts being absorbed here. And if you look at the charts, like everybody like gets a boner right here looking at, oh yay, like the lows of this thing has broken, and just like let's pound in short. And but if you're watching order flow, you're seeing these things. Not saying that they're gonna help you, but like sometimes they do. Wow, they've hit another big bid. Let's see if they can keep it going. So that's another thing. Like the sellers can keep hitting these big lots, but like eventually, like if they know they cannot get much further, much traction, they have to fucking cover, because like everybody has a different time frame, and some people have to cover by the end of the day. So you cannot go short or something like that, and so that can, get us a nice bounce from here. Like I'm not looking for a big bounce, like a move back to the point of control. 25, 26, 27 would be, yeah, that would be possible. That would be pretty bullish too. Yeah, will suck if it pops to 24 and then goes back down. Yeah, man, like in the last like in 4 minutes, like the shit show is gonna begin, and you're not gonna know what's gonna happen. It's gonna probably go around all there. So you see right there, like it's popping back up. So near near 20, like those big bids, like they tried to do it, they couldn't take it, but now like people are realizing like do they really want to do this? Like now short covering will start, and then everybody doesn't cover. So like usually like people are like, oh, it's a dead cat bounce, and then fucking cat rips your ass off and we are at fucking 45, 30 plus in no time. So yeah, it's just about observing here like how 20 behaves. Yeah, being on the right side of 20, that would be probably give us the next 5 points or 7 points. Yeah, but there is a lot of absorption on the ES right here. NQ is kind of fine. Like I'm not totally satisfied with the NQ absorption right here, just like looking at the charts. We'll probably just take a trade. Like without taking a trade, it'll be like short crude right here, long ES. 19, so coming back down again. 17.5 has another big bid. Let's see. Man, I cannot, I never play for big stuff, big gains. Like I'm so stupid. Like my staying power in the market is like fucking so terrible. Like I cannot hold my winners for some reason. Like I'll get out so fast, and yeah, yeah, probably I'm fucked now. Below 19s. Let's just watch. Let's see how it happens. Market and close big buy. I don't know, man. Let's just see like how much time is left, like couple minutes. Okay, so some momentum to the upside now. Looks like a little bit of short covering. What's my average? 21.38. Let's just have targets like where we want to sell. If we want to sell some, 25 would be a good spot. Probably sell to. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching 20 right now, like see how the activity is around that level. So we did get like a squeeze, a little squeeze up from 18s to 20s. Let's see like how much 20 really wants to sell, or are they kind of done? Like, I mean, this is an area where like the order book is kind of favors the buyers. So we'll see how it goes. And on the like 30-minute chart as well, like this is more like a liquidation break, but like the time is so little when you realize that it's not a fucking liquidation break and it's a fucking sell, that you get fucked up. But yeah, like I really like the volume, the absorption at 20. So that's why I'm comfortable with this one. Like being long here, I'm not like feeling like I'm fucked here. But yeah, the kind of day like we sold off the open and tested lower, rejected, broke out higher. Now is kind of we can't even go back to the lows, like the bottom of the value area, like 15 16s. Like normally we'll go there pretty quick. So but like the buying in this zone 18 to 20 has been pretty incredible, like from the last 5 6 days. Like there's a lot of absorption here, like, and if people cannot get out, like they can't sell here, like it's gonna squeeze up. Big fan jingle regardless of how this trade is. Yeah man, like trades always like nobody knows what's gonna happen on the next trade. I just feel like double checking again. Like, is it the micros? I don't want to be fucking long for yes here and get fucking wiped out. If this thing like shits the bed like another 10 points. That's the new platform thing. Looks like micros. 15 point. Like they go through like 18, 17.75. They're probably gonna hit my stop pretty fast. 15 point. How much is one micro versus one full? It's 1/10 of it. So every point on the micro is $5, and the ES is like $50. Hmm. It looks like they want to sell it like at least like another 2 points or three. 18.5. Like this opening range low right here. This was 16.75. Yeah, man, I should have held my short. So, I mean, it was good. So, this is what happens with me usually. It's not like anybody else to do that. Like, I probably might have taken the short off myself because it started like kind of, moving back towards 25 and up. So, that that's what usually happens. Like, when once you have a good position, you have a plan, you have a good entry. Uh, and like, I had like very tight stop. Like, I was giving the trade another two ticks or a tick or something. So, just not doing anything, that's the hard and the most profitable thing that you can do as a trader. Like if the trade, because the good trades, like that was a good trade, like shorting 27, that doesn't go against you that much. That would go like point 2 points against you, 3 points maximum, and then just turn green very quickly. So, but like the initial instinct is like, yeah, you want to take profit and book it. But as soon as you take profit, your mind kind of starts spinning again. Okay, I've taken profit. Now what do I do? So now you don't want to like, change the direction. So the patience part is the most difficult. So now again, like they went to 18. Again, there was bid on the order book. They hit it and they couldn't take it out. And now we are going back to 20 again. So yeah, I mean, these areas like where a lot of volume comes in, like these are magnets. Like we'll probably, you know just trade a little here more. Yeah, it's 5 minutes left. I don't think like anything big is gonna happen. But like if they take it above 23 or something, like 23.5, they might as well try to run the stops on 27, because the people aren't afraid to buy this thing like at any level, but they're afraid to sell this thing at any level. That's how the market has been. So, and the mentality is like we think like every time it's going to be different, but it never is different. They do the same shit over and over again. So it's just better to, you know, let the trade play out. Like if you have planned it, like this was a little spontaneous trade. Like I went long 22. I didn't have to. Like this is the area I would have you wanted to like take a long against near 20, 19, 18s. So that's okay though. Like I'm just like put on a trade for the sake of putting a trade, and the size hasn't been too much in there, and it's not gone against me that much. Do I use fibs? No, I don't use fibs. Like the only fib I may use will be the 61% thing. Like, and I just use that as an extension to get a target or something. But normally, like there's only so many things you can use to plot levels. Like the volume profile is enough for me to do that. Um, I wouldn't do the other thing. Uh, Fibonacci, but it's pretty incredible like how levels always line up. So I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but again, like there's so much analysis that you can do and execute off of that. I just never looked at it. Probably never know don't know how to use it, execute it. But yeah, just for me, like the volume profile, weekly volume profile, monthly volume profile, that's more than enough. Yeah, there's pretty decent bid at 18 here. Let's see if they want to like take him out again. So something just came up on the order book. 22, 21, 22. A little bit size. Somebody wants to sell. Let's see if they push, if that helps them push through 18. It could. Yeah, just 2 minutes left. Yeah, I don't think anything is gonna happen. I'm gonna probably just move this thing here and close it out before. I'm trading on the combine, like so I cannot hold the position like through the close. Where's the 19? Break. Just get rid of the. Let's see if we get a little pop. They're probably gonna run as well, like if they get up, but I don't care. I just need to close it out. But yeah, there's a lot of absorption on the ES right here, 1890. It's probably not gonna break in the time we have left. 18 again, reloading. Like there's 1,000 on the bid again. So yeah, is this close bullish? Yeah, I would say so. Like I don't know, like if you look at, you can look at it both ways. Like sellers have came in and again tested below 17, 18. They went, they poked through it, so they made progress. We are closing lower than the close on the, like the previous, you know 6 days of balance, or since we broke out above 45.10. So I can't say like this is like bullish close, but it's neither bearish. So it's right in the balance. But yeah, like I would lean more bearish than bullish, just because we are kind of on the lower end of the consolidation we had all of last week. So there's a lot of people in the past week that have bought are now kind of offside. So like this goes like below 4505 or 4500, they're gonna start puking pretty fast. How many lots you trading? I normally trade like ES, like I would scalp it, but I don't have like a fixed size, or I'm a completely discretionary trader. And the thing is like, uh, I'm learning, so like I don't know too much about trading. Well, I'm just like try to learn. So yeah, not too much different from most of you. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Like it's done. I'm just gonna close out the position, and we're just gonna end it right here. Uh, Thank you everyone for coming in. This was a test. Like there's a lot of people came in, so we'll probably plan something for the coming for this coming week and see if we can, get back on the stream again. I'll be shutting the stream in like 5 minutes. So yeah, thank you everybody for coming down. Like I thought like it'll just like boring day. Let's just hang out and see what we can do. But turned out pretty decent. Yeah, I'm just setting out my charts and stuff as well. So we'll probably try to go over like some of the stuff I look at in the market, including market profile and daily chart and stuff like that. So if somebody's interested, we'll probably I can go over through like the things I look at. Yeah, take care everybody. I'm gonna end it. Thank you. Thanks for coming in.